Today, we're embarking on an exciting project. This Tata Horse 6x4 is about to get a major upgrade. In just 4 days, we're turning this powerful workhorse into a heavy-duty 10-cube tipper, ready to tackle any job site, be it mining or construction. Our client needed a very strong tipper bin which can carry large rocks, but she's working on a tight budget. That's why we opted for a second-hand tipper bin. Not only is it budget-friendly, but the strength of this steel is simply unmatched, built to withstand the toughest jobs. Time is of the essence. With just 4 days to delivery, our team is working efficiently around the clock. Watch as our expert operators carefully lift and position this massive bin, bringing our vision to life. The fabrication process will soon be underway. Every weld, every bolt, every adjustment is crucial to ensure this conversion meets the highest standards of safety and performance. We're building a truck that's not just a tipper, but a reliable workhorse for years to come. Our commitment doesn't end with the conversion. We understand the importance of a smooth transition for our clients. That's why we'll also be assisting with the essential description, change on the vehicle's papers, and ensuring it passes all roadworthy tests. Your peace of mind is our priority. Remember, if you want a similar project like this one, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp. We also can build your tipper or water tanker from scratch. That's enough for today, guys. See you next time. So here's how the Tata Tipper project wrapped up. We didn't quite meet our 4-day deadline. The build ended up taking 6 days, but every extra hour was worth it. To stay on track, we had to put in serious overtime, working late into the night just to get this truck done. After the last video, we moved on to painting the tipper bin, giving it a fresh, clean look, and then got straight into wiring the electrical system, making sure all the lights, hydraulics, and safety components were fully functional. But our job didn't stop there. We also handled all the paperwork for the client. We took the truck to the weighbridge to update its official weight, sent it for a full roadworthy inspection, and completed the description change at the licensing department, so everything was compliant and legal. Yesterday, the client came through to collect the truck, and the reaction? Pure satisfaction. They were blown away by the final result, a rugged, reliable 10-cube tipper, fully roadworthy and ready to work. If you're looking to build your own tipper or even a custom water tanker, let Truckhive bring it to life. Call us today on the numbers written below. Let's build something that works as hard as you do. From me, Percy, and the team at Truckhive Build, thank you for watching. See you on our next project. This time around, I am hoping we can do a water tanker project and show you guys how we can bring your vision to life.